Hello there, cash flow girls, entrepreneurs, CEOs, business owners. Are you ready to pay less taxes this year? Are you thinking you're paying too much in taxes? If you are, then you want to listen in for the next few minutes as we talk about two quick steps to take to pay less taxes this year. And what is so interesting is that a lot of times, as when I'm talking to business owners, training business owners, what I find is that a lot of times when we talk about taxes, person limited to income taxes, taxes paid at the end of the year on your profits or so I want to remind you that when we talk about taxes, there are lots of different types of taxes depending on where you are in your business. You might have property taxes, there are payroll taxes, goods and services taxes, and estate trust taxes. There are lots of different types of taxes. So do bear in mind when you are thinking about taxes, think about all the taxes that it's likely that you will have to pay. And also bear in mind too that there are legal ways, I have to say that over and over so we are clear. There are legal ways to pay less taxes. It's just about positioning your business, your company to be knowledgeable about this and execute. So the first step in setting up your business, your company to pay less taxes is having a tax plan or creating a tax plan. What is a tax plan? A tax plan is where you have a legal way, a legal plan to pay less taxes. So you are working with a tax expert, a tax advisor, it could be a CPA, other tax experts. You are working with a strategy for your business, of course, in line with your personal situation to pay less taxes. So from the beginning of the year, and it changes throughout the year because the tax laws changes, your business environment will change. So it's always good to review your tax plan throughout the year. The income of your business, the profits will change as well. So a tax plan, it's best to review throughout the year. So a tax plan is where you're sitting down with that expert to say, what are the deductions I need to, capitalize on? What are the credits that will apply to me? I'm planning to purchase this equipment or to sell. What is the best time? And should I do dividends or salary? You're having a plan that is customized for your business, connected with your personal situation to pay less taxes. That is the first step. It is so important. A tax plan is not where when it's 2 days before tax deadline, you rush to the tax preparer and create a miracle, work a miracle for me. I need to pay less taxes. No, that is not a tax plan. A tax plan is where you are strategic and putting steps in place to pay less taxes. So that's the first step. The second step is to ensure that your books are in a good condition. Your books are up to date. They are correct. They are in a good condition. Bear in mind that whatever strategy you decide on for your business, it's all going to go back to it having a good set of books. If you don't have a good set of books, then it's just going to be chaos on top of chaos. So what does having a good set of books mean? It means that your books are up to date. They are, free from errors. They are there is a reduced risk of, for example, a missing transaction of creating certain errors. So you are knowing what is happening on your book. So you are, your reports are current, at least monthly updates. You are doing your cash flow forecast, your budgets. You are in tune with what's happening in your books. You have a system, because another thing, if your books are up to date and it's just garbage in, then that's not going to help. So you want to have a system to have information that is reliable and correct information that is complete to enhance your tax plan, your tax strategy, and of course, the growth and development of your business. So that is number two, having a good set of books. So those are two key steps that if you do implement them in your company, in your business, you are positioned to definitely pay less in taxes this year. And who doesn't want to pay less in taxes? A lot of times I hear, some persons will say, oh, I'll never get to pay less taxes. It's only for the corporations and the bigger players in the industry. Bear in mind that what are they doing? They are ensuring they have a tax strategy. They are ensuring their process, their systems are effective. Their books are up to date. Their records, their information they are using is reliable. That's basically what they're doing. And sometimes persons will again say, I'll do my taxes myself. I want to save money. But I always think about when my sons were going to have surgery. They have done multiple surgery. I never thought of, okay, I'm going to Google this or do the surgery myself. No way, because I wanted the best for them. And I knew I was not a medical expert. So there's no way I could perform a surgery. So do bear in mind that when you're not an expert in something, you're going to be more prone to create errors and just mess upon mess. So those are our two strategies to pay less taxes this year. If you're like, I'm still not sure where to start, definitely reach out. I'll have a chat with you. And if this resonates with you or you want to share with other business owners, please do. And as usual, leave in the comments where you are from. And if you do have any questions or suggestions or comments as well. So until next time, signing off. Bye.